guys, my name is Tariana. I am an intuitive tarot reader. As you see about today's title, we're just going to get into this tea all about this drugstore, no foundation makeup look. So if you're interested in a video like that, then carry on watching. But before we get into this video, just go ahead and hit that like button because I'm already know you're going to like this video already. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you never miss another upload. Also, check the descriptions below if you for all of my social medias, for all the tools listed, and also if you want to book personal readings with me. So yes, so let's carry on into this video, sis. Hey girlies, let me just go ahead and give y'all the voice over chit chat or whatever. So I ended up starting like wiping my face off with witch hazel, but I did wash my face prior to this to make sure that my face was fully clean. I ended up putting some Pond's cream on top of my on top of my skin to moisturize my skin underneath my makeup, so that way my makeup won't be like a certain way. I didn't put primer on in this video. For some reason, I forgot where my primer was at. I ended up losing it. But luckily, I still have some moisturizer on there, so it can still kind of like have like a even base when it comes to like applying the stuff, the makeup. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys carry on and watching this video, and I would definitely be coming back on the voiceover to drop y'all some gems. You feel me? So.
On the grassland side by side, you could be my baby. Let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me.
Okay, you guys, so I ended up adding the contour first because, like, you know, like when you put your concealer on and then when you blend out your concealer first and then try to blend out your contour, it kind of gives this like darker tone or something. So I wanted to reverse that and basically put the lighter tones on first and then put the dark tones on first and then put the lighter tones on after, so that way when it blends, you could see like the more lighted areas, like the highlighted areas, I would say that. So yes, that's the reason why I had put the contour on first. And yeah, hopefully that hopefully that trick works for you guys.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
So you guys, I wanted to add this quick trick in there. I had added some highlighter. I used the highlighter that is the brightest in the parts that I really wanted to be brighter, and then the other concealer that I used was pretty much if I say highlighter, y'all, I meant like concealer going in the highlighted places, so don't get confused about that. But I added another one that's closer to my skin tone underneath, like in the areas where the highlighted ones are at, pretty much like you can see right here in the video. That's pretty much what I'm doing. But I did that so that way when it blends out, it would be more like of a steady, like a gradient type of look. It wouldn't just be like very bright and mixing with very dark on the outside, if that makes sense. So yes.
Hard times without the people you love. Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you.
You guys, I wanted to say, when it comes to these blending skills, you definitely got to blend the life out of you. Like literally, you gotta blend. So I started off with the small beauty blender. Luckily, I have another beauty blender that already has like the other side of the beauty blender I use for my contour. It has what's it called? It has some foundation on the other side. So when I blended all of my concealer out and everything, I made sure like it was blended. It was all well blended with each other, so that way it would be like more like in a gradient. So like, for example, like as you see in the video, you see me blending from inward to out, pretty much like blending the light all the way out into the gradient, making it like the gradient effect and stuff like that. So yes, hopefully this is not too complicated or anything, but yeah guys, that's all I had to say.
Come outside, let the darkness of the world escape your eyes. Give it all away, then lift up your eyes. Face wanna know wanna
Okay, you guys, when it comes to setting powder, this was just like my regular foundation setting powder, like type of color. So I didn't really have no bronzer to add to make to like kind of darken out, you know, where the contour is already at. So I ended up just putting some blush on and some highlighter on top of that. I did ended up setting my contour, not my contour, but I did ended up setting my concealer with the same powder as well, because I didn't have no what's it called, no baking powder or whatever. at this time when I was filming this video. So I also wanted to say I did go in on my face after putting on the blush and the highlighter to like go in with my not my foundation, but my beauty blender that had my foundation part on it, to go ahead and like blend all of those areas out in a sense, so that way it wouldn't just be like no harsh lines when you look on the side. And then I just went in with the setting spray, and then yes y'all, so that's all I had to say. And I also wanted to say, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like up button, leave a comment below on how you feel about this video, any tips and tricks that I can really try when it comes to doing a makeup look with no foundation. So until next time, y'all stay blessed. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys for taking your time off watching this video. Once again, go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment below on how I did in this video or any tips and tricks that you will recommend. I also wanted to say subscribe and turn that post notifications on so you will never miss another upload. And yes guys, don't forget to check the descriptions box for everything that you need is definitely going to be in the descriptions box below. And until next time, y'all, stay blessed.